Hi guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to turn on flip to mute option or feature in Google Pixel 7a. So Google Pixel 7 it is called flip to shh, that means silence. So simply open your settings, then go to system, just scroll up, then you will get system, then open gestures. Okay, here you can see last option, flip to silent. Okay, open that, then you can see how does this work. Just flip the phone, then it will be mute whenever it is you're listening a music or incoming call or incoming notifications. You can simply flip the phone in a surface area like this to mute, then it will be provide a subtle vibration. That means the phone tell you that the action is muted. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.